Hey everybody, it's Neil. I want to get myself a little riding vest so when I'm riding my bike, going on safari soon, I can have this little vest just for a little bit of extra warmth and breathability and stuff too. And so I figure I'll just stick this in my bag. I got super light one. This thing holds up into nothing. But let's check it out. It's got a little bit of sun SPF protection in it. So let's try this thing on and see how it fits. If I wanted to put it over some other shirt, I could, or I could just wear this as my shirt. But let's check this thing out. Try it here. I got a size, what size did I get? Don't even know. Let's see if it says it over here. Size large. Size large. I'm about 172 pounds or something like that, but I don't like things super tight. So if you like things super tight, probably a medium would have been good. So you see it's got the space there. There's no pockets or anything. This is just a riding vest. So that's what it looks like here on me. It's got a little bit of space when I have my shirt on under it, but it's good. It's comfortable. So I think this will be a nice little addition to my wardrobe for riding my bike. Hopefully you can hear me with this thing covered up. It also zips up pretty good there. So pretty nice looking thing. I had to get some dark color stuff, I guess, for the safari wilderness, so animals won't attack me, but I kind of like this. Might just be wearing this thing around camp all day. So very cool. So let's see what brand it is here. So I'll show you guys more details about it. It says UPF 50, and it's BALEAF, BALEAF. So very cool. So thumbs up for me. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks.